Hello everyone, welcome to Shubha Advisory. In this video, we will delve into the specifics of the Chronox Lab Sciences Limited IPO. If you're an investor considering initial public offerings, IPOs, this information could be valuable. Chronox Lab is gearing up for its IPO. The subscription period for Chronox Lab begins on 3rd June 2024 and continues until 5th June 2024. The face value of each share is 10 rupees. Allocation of IPO shares is scheduled for 7th June 2024, with an anticipated listing on the stock exchange on 10th June 2024. In this IPO, the share price is estimated to range between 129 rupees to 136, and the lot size is set at 110 shares. The minimum investment for retail individual investors for one lot is 14,190 rupees. The valuation of the Chronox Lab IPO stands at 130.15 crores rupees. Currently, there is trading activity for these shares in the grey market, with the grey market premium ranging between 50 rupees to 80. This suggests that the current value of the shares in the grey market is between 180 rupees to 210. Chronox Lab was established in 2008 and is led by Managing Director Joginder Singh Jaswal. Chronox Lab Sciences Limited specializes in manufacturing high-quality fine chemicals for a diverse range of end-user industries. The company produces these fine chemicals in various particle sizes, from 10 mesh to 100 mesh. Chronox Lab operates 3 manufacturing units located in Vadodara, Gujarat, strategically positioned near the seaports of Mundra, Kandla, Hazira, and Nhava Sheva. These units have a combined installed capacity of 7,242 tons per annum, TPA. The company manufactures over 185 products, including phosphate, sulfate, acetate, chloride, citrate, nitrates, nitrites, carbonate, EDTA derivatives, hydroxide, succinate, and gluconate. Its products are supplied to customers in India and over 20 countries worldwide, including the US, Argentina, Mexico, Australia, Egypt, Spain, Turkey, the UK, Belgium, the UAE, and China. The company reported revenue from operations of 62.46 crores rupees, 82.25 crores rupees, and 95.58 crores rupees in the financial years 2021, 2022, and 2023 respectively. For the same periods, the company reported a profit after tax, PAT, of 9.73 crores rupees, 13.63 crores rupees, and 16.62 crores rupees respectively. For more news on IPOs and valuable insights on personal finance and tax planning, please like, share, and subscribe to Shubha Advisory. Your support is our biggest strength. Let's be friends. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram at Shubha Advisory.